Have you ever wanted to know how to take a tour from Milan to Lake Como?
And Lugano, Switzerland.
Ah, yes, exactly. Well, if so, today you're in luck because we are going to tell you exactly how to do it.
Absolutely, so stick around and we show you all the tour.
Hi everyone, I'm Rick.
And I'm Andrea, and today we're going to take a great tour from Milan to Lake Como and Switzerland. But first, if you like travel-related videos like this one, now is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button down below so you'll never miss any future videos.
Yes, that is absolutely great advice. So today our tour is going to start from
Porta Garibaldi here in Milan. Behind us you can see the famous building with all the trees, and the train station is just a few steps away from here. There we're gonna meet our bus tour and go to Lake Como first.
Perfect. All right, let's go.
Fantastic.
Well, here we are. We have arrived at the Stazione Porta Garibaldi.
Yes, where we're gonna meet our guide, which I think is over there, and we are going to board the bus.
So one thing I just realized, we were just talking with our guide, and I realized that Switzerland is actually not in the European Union.
Yes, so very important tip, bring your passport, because if you don't have your passport, you cannot board the bus. So
Exactly.
If you do this tour, bring your passport.
Great tip. Well, as you can see, we made it on the bus.
Yes.
So this is going to take, we have a 3.5-hour wait for the first bathroom stop. So pro tip on if you're going to take a tour to Lake Como, make sure to go before you get on the bus.
Absolutely.
Hello.
Hello. So we have arrived in Bellagio. This is our
Yes.
first stop here in Lake Como.
We did a beautiful tour of the lake by this beautiful boat behind here. So now we have time to walk around on our own and explore the city, the little town of Bellagio.
Exactly.
Let's go. It's becoming more and more Italian every day.
And here we are. As you can see, we've made it to, what is this place?
Capos Partivento. Here, the three branches of the lake, they meet. So there's the branch from Lecco down here, the branch from Como down here, and then there's the branch from the Alps up there. So the lake is like a triangle, and they meet here in Bellagio.
And I think probably the nicest thing about the day or where we are right now is the sun just started to shine. I think that's because we have arrived, right?
It's beautiful.
I'm going to give this a like for the sun coming out today. So where are we going next?
Next, we're gonna go and explore the little town of Bellagio inside.
There it is. Let's go. And here we are in the main piazza of Bellagio. What is the name of this piazza?
Piazza della Chiesa, because here's the church of Bellagio, and Chiesa in Italian means church.
Oh, well,
yes.
That's pretty good, right?
Pretty self-explanatory.
Exactly. So now what are we going to see? We're going to go
continue in this little street of the little town of Bellagio and take a look.
Sounds good. All right, let's go. Well, as you can see, the robe, it is very small.
As you can see, there's lots of silk here in Bellagio, and the reason is because silk was one of the main industry around Lake Como, because in the 16th century, the Duke of Milan brought silkworm here in Lake Como, around Lake Como, and they start producing a lot of silk. And till now, some of the most prestigious company that makes scarf and silk products are based here around Lake Como.
As you can see, these roads, they're all made with little stones, so definitely wear comfortable shoes. And that concludes our morning here in Bellagio.
Isn't it beautiful here? I love this little town. So what do you think about it? Leave a comment below. We would love to hear back from you.
Exactly. And where are we headed to next? We are going to Switzerland,
Yes.
are we not?
Our tour of Lake Como from Milan continues to Lugano, Switzerland. So we're going to go back on the boat and go on the other side of the lake. And then from there, the bus is going to take us to Lugano.
And I heard there's lots of chocolate in Switzerland.
Yes. And we're going to definitely taste some chocolate.
Well, let's take a look and we'll see. Find out. Well, we made it to Lugano.
Switzerland.
Yes.
So this part of Switzerland is the Italian part of Switzerland. So looks a lot like Italy because they speak Italian and they look Italian.
Yes, but it's very clean here and it feels very expensive. We're gonna have to go take a look around and find out.
And most importantly, they use Swiss francs. So if you have euros, they do not accept them here.
Exactly.
But you can use your credit card everywhere.
And by the way, we found out there is a train to Milan. So if you want to go from Milan to Lugano, you can do that in about an hour. But let's go explore.
Let's go explore.
So as I said earlier, Switzerland, I mean, what else is there to do? You got to eat chocolate, right? And what's the first thing I did within 5 minutes of landing here in Lugano? Come eat some chocolate. Go ahead.
My turn to eat some chocolate, and I have a caramel.
Oh.
It's delicious. I will a bucket of these.
So, Switzerland might not be in the EU, but it is in Europe. And if there's anything more European than wine tasting, well, they actually offer it right here in the middle of the piazza here in Lugano. Let's go take a look. And this concludes our tour of Lake Como
And Lugano.
from Milan. Exactly.
That was so much fun. So what do you like the best? Let us know in the comment below. We'd love to hear back from you.
Mhm.
And in the meanwhile, we'll see you on our next video.
Ciao.
Ciao.